I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realign. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to create this makeup look. Specifically, I'm going to walk you through this eye makeup look, and the rest of the face will be linked in the description box down below. So if you're interested in see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Before I do my eyebrow, I just wanted to show you the difference, which you can tell on this side, how brushed and filled in eyebrow makes the difference. That's exactly what are we going to do on this side. I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm taking glue, making sure that this area is clean. I didn't moisturize my area around my eyebrows. The reason for that is once you apply your glue or soap or gel, whatever it is, it will stick better. Whenever you have mixture of those products, they will kind of mix with that moisture that you have on your skin, and it won't make your hairs set in place. To avoid any glue that's left around my eyebrows, I'm taking a wipe and making sure that everything is cleaned. Now, I'm not going to fill everything, I'm just going to fill in any gaps that I have. This is Catrice Slimatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This one is in cool brown, just like little strokes. But what is really important, and one thing that will make a whole difference when using, for example, your pencil, make sure you follow the direction of your hair growth. I know I've said it like I don't know how many times, but this is key to achieve natural eyebrow. Now, when it comes to eye base, I'm going to use PLouise base as always. So usually I would use number 02, which is, this is Rumor shade. This shade has more peachy tone than number 3 is more neutral, so that's the reason why I like to mix both of them. Next step for creating this look is to make a depth, and how we are going to achieve that is not only by eyeshadows, but it's to use different textures. In this case, I'm using AMC gel liners from Inglot Cosmetics. First we have blank canvas, then now we have to create some more dimension, and like I said, not only with eyeshadows, but when we are playing with different textures, we will be able to achieve makeup looks that are on another level. So I'm starting by mixing shades number 69 and 90. Now a little trick that will give our overall look a bit different finish. I took lighter shade in number 69 and just will follow this area right here. Now it is time to move on to our eyeshadows. I'll grab some Mehron shade from Juvias Place Warrior palette. With a flat brush, I'm just focusing underneath my eyebrow. This shade will give us beautiful yellow gold highlight. Now, before I move to dark eyeshadow, I am filling in my waterline with Loreal Intense Eyeliner in Pure Black, but I'm not going to fill entire waterline, just outer corner of waterline. Next, to connect our darkest to our lightest shade, Ilamasqua Artistry palette black eyeshadow. This one is matte eyeshadow. I did have issues when I would use some eyeshadows that are supposed to be black, but actually their undertone was more gray or something, some warmth in them, so that didn't actually work out for me. Sometimes when I'm combining some looks, I really want that black color to be just pure black and matte, and that's it. Once I'm finished with black color, I'm moving on to darkest brown shade. In this case, it will be Intuition shade from Carnival palette from BPerfect and StaceyMarie. Also, I'm using my NYX Professional brushes number 44 and 42 to pack and blend eyeshadow. Moving on to my next shade from same palette, it's shade Hall. This one is, actually it has a bit warmth to it, so I'm combining cool tone and warm tone shades. You can see on this side how this eye ended up being warm. I'm taking a lot of time just blending these eyeshadows. It's I think that's the part that takes me the longest to create any look. For me, it doesn't matter if I do my foundation or if I do my eyes. It's just everything comes down to how well you combined textures and colors, and it all comes down to blending. It's not just referring to your eyes, it's just referring to everything you do in your makeup routine. This is shade Basic, and now just going to connect our lightest eyeshadow and our previous eyeshadow that I've put on our eyelids. Now it is time to fill in the rest of our eye. Shade Hall, to bring some warmth. Now next step is to combine some pigments, and this one is from Inglot Pure Pigment eyeshadow number 85. I have to say Inglot's pigments are one of the best I have ever tried. So I'm combining this one from Inglot, and then I have NYX Foil Play Eyeshadow. This one is Magnetic Pull, and I will grab this shade right here. Some fixing spray. In the meantime, I did add a little bit more shimmer, and this is actually NYX Cosmetics Shimmer Down in number 4. Moving on to our eyeliner. As I wanted to achieve this deep burgundy color, I mixed eyeshadow shade Reckless and using some mixing liquid so that I can transform product that is powder into liquid. So for my lashes today, I'm using Ardell Naked Lashes. This is number 421. What I do like about them, they are so natural and they're so lightweight. So I think if you are more into more natural looking lashes, you are gonna love this. So that is it when it comes to eyes. I'm going to quickly finish off the rest of my makeup and I will be back. So this is the final look. I will link everything that I've used in the description box down below. And also, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video, and I will see you soon. Bye!